Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to get funds from Steam. So let's start. Well, first let's go to Steam and then let's go to the right side. In your name, just click and then go to account details. Here you will find an option that says purchase history. Just click there and you will find all the games that you have been bought. Just click the game that you want to be found. There will be appear the option about refund. So as you can see, I don't have any game here, so it's important to know also that your Steam wallet funds cannot be moved or given to another Steam account. You have to request a refund for a Steam wallet, and all the refund of your purchase will be on your Steam wallet that you can use for another game. You can transfer to your bank or something like that, so it's important to know that all the money will be transferred only for your Steam account. So here you will find also steps if you want in Steam wallets. You can find here the steps that I told you about how to refund a game, so it's very easy. Well guys, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe and give like to this video.